Hello, namaste, hola, welcome you all to this YouTube channel World Jungle. So today we are going to learn how to write Hindi alphabets and how to pronounce them. So let's start. Before we start with Hindi alphabets, you must know some basic facts about Hindi language. Number of alphabets 52, 50, 48. Disputably, Hindi speakers 490 million. Writing system left to right as you write English. Script Devanagari. Number of vowels 10, 12, 13, 14. Consonant 36. Now whatever they taught us in school, that is what I am going to teach you here. So stay with me to the very end of this video. So let's start with vowel. In schools they taught us 13 vowels. That is what I am going to do here. So let's start with first vowel A. Pay attention to my voice and listen to sound very carefully. A. When you stretch first sound, you got second one. So first sound as in American, as in affection, as in anemia. Now second sound as in aj, as in arm, as in arm. So you see the difference. Now say it with me. A a. They are not very difficult to write, so grab a pen and paper and write them. Now next sound, next pair is E, 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 E. Now first sound E as in image, as in India, as in eagle, as in easy. Now second sound as in English, as in idli, as in email. So you see now, say it with me. E, 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 E. Our third pair is U, 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 U. Say it with me. U, U. Now first sound as in pull, as in put. Now second sound room, cool, oops, oops. Now you see the difference. Now say them. Ooh, 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 ooh. Our next letter is R, R, R. Some people count it as a vowel, some don't count it as a vowel. So it sounds like remote, like real. So say it re, re. Now listen carefully. A, I, A, I. Now first sound A as in April, as in great, as in bread. Now second sound as in eyed, as in eyed, eyed. So say them now. A, I, A, I. Our next pair is O, ow, O, ow. Now first sound as in home, comb, chrome, as in Obama, Obama. Now second sound ow as in owl, as in Aurangabad, as in Aurangzeb, Aurangzeb, owl. So you see difference. Now say them. O, ow, O, ow. Now pay attention to my voice very carefully. Now listen to them. Eh, eh. Now first sound it is little bit of nasal sound. So as in uncle, as in umbrella, as in under. So first sound as in uncle. So little nasal sound is uncle. So you see now second one as eh, as in aha, as in aha. Now second sound is little difficult. Eh, eh, eh. In schools we used to sing them as a song. So let's start. A, I, u, ri. A, I, o, au, eh. Now you start with me. A, I, u, ri. A, I, o, au, eh. That is all. If you learned something today, please give a like, please subscribe if you can, please share it with your friends. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.